Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher, and today we're going through a 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. See, this is a good looking boat with a white panel, black accent, and the black powder coated rails. This is a new accent design for 2023. We used to run the accent all the way down. Now they've stopped it there, kind of sleeking up the looks of it a little bit. Alright, back here, this is powered with a Mercury 300 Verado. Alright, we're going to go up a nice deep 4-rung ladder, 24-inch wide grab handles. The back of the boat, this one also has ski pylon. You can pull tubers, skiers from here. Also, you're going to have speakers back here, so you're out at anchor, hanging out behind the boat. You can turn up these speakers and not have to be super loud in the cockpit if you don't want. Okay. This is considered a center walk-through dual helm. So you walk through the center in the back here. You have 2 rear-facing loungers. And then you have captain and co-captain chair up here. The helm, you have the Simrad Go 9 glass dash. You also have a wireless charging station there. And you're also going to have the upgraded stereo with sub and amp. Come to the front of the boat here. This one does have in-floor storage. And a lot of seating up in the front with the fold-down armrests. Storage underneath all these seats, front and back, so plenty of room for all the gear for the day. And there is your subwoofer. Once again, Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through the new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Thanks. Have a great day.